Tonight, the Literacy Council of Northern Virginia is celebrating our annual recognition ceremony, where we recognize our students, our volunteers, our supporters, and community partners. The Literacy Council of Northern Virginia offers English classes to adults whose English is at the 6th grade level or below. Our students are mostly English as a second language students coming from over 80 different countries and speaking more than 50 different languages. Throughout the year, we offer a variety of programs. We offer beginning English programs, we offer family literacy programs where parents and children are both able to work on their English skills simultaneously. And our most recent program, or our newest program, is something that we call Destination Workforce. And it is teaching English to our students for the purpose of helping them get jobs or get better jobs.
Speaking English also helped me better interact with my neighbors in discussions with various topics. In addition, I was able to apply for a new job.
The importance of learning English cannot be overstated. Without having the basic skills of reading, writing, speaking, and understanding English, without those skills, there is so much that limits their ability to be a part of this community. The community really benefits from having more people who understand English because they can now count on those people to become active participants in the community.